If you're looking for a refreshing summer cocktail, this ranch water is just what you're looking for. 3 ingredients, 30 seconds, and you're ready to rock. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the easiest, most refreshing cocktail ever, ranch water. Ranch water is a Texas drink that is just made with 3 ingredients, sparkling water, tequila, and lime. It's like a highball, but made with tequila. So let's get started. So we're going to fill a glass with some ice. And it's really good if all of your ingredients are chilled. So make sure your sparkling water or mineral water is chilled, your tequila and your lime juice. And just fill both glasses with your ice. And then we're gonna just add a little tequila. And about 1 ounce is good, or like 1 shot, or you can just eyeball it. We have some thirsty ranchers today. That is a lot of tequila. And then we're gonna top off with some mineral water. And Topo Chico is what they use in Texas, but you can use a flavored sparkling water and kind of mix it up a little bit. Sometimes we like to use like flavored sparkling waters that you get in the can. And then we're just gonna squeeze some lime in. And you can do a lot of lime juice, or you can just do a little squeeze and then just garnish with a lime. You don't have to put the lime on the rim, you can just throw it in the glass. But that's it. Cheers. So refreshing and delicious. That is a strong ranch water, but so good. Perfect for a summer day. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.